Are you still managing invoices manually between Monday.com and SAP Business One? Every copy paste, every delay, every errors, it's costing your business, right? Manually, invoicing slows down your entire lead to cash flow. Delayed invoice creation delays revenue recognition. Errors lead to customer disputes and payment holds. Visibility of cash flow, which is practically nothing. As your business scales, the chaos only grows. Just because of that, we have built Axie Connect for Monday.com and SAP Business One. So if you're manually creating invoices in your Monday.com and as well as again you are creating the same invoice on your SAP Business One, then this process gives you the exact solution. So welcome to Axie Connect, and let's create a new invoice in Monday.com and which can be synchronized to SAP Business One. So this is the Monday.com demo environment. So I'm here in the quotes and invoice section, and from here only I'm going to create a new invoice in Monday.com. You can create your own template as per your requirement, but I have my own template by which I'm going to create a new invoice in Monday.com. Right. So this is the section where you can add your account details. So I'm already having a pre-existing account by which I'm going to synchronize the invoice. So this is the accounts tab which I have chosen over here, and let me choose the exact account details. So let's just choose and if I scroll down there, you need to add the product details. So this is a product by which we are going to synchronize the invoice to SAP Business One. So let me add that the account details and the product details you must have on your SAP Business One. Because if you don't synchronize or if you don't have the account and product details in the SAP Business One, then you cannot able to create the new invoice in the SAP Business One. So previously that has been synchronized through Axie Connect from Monday.com to SAP Business One. So by saving this option, I'm just creating a new invoice here in the Monday.com. I will assign the account ID over here for this particular invoice. So details has been created such as the amount details. The account has been created over here. Let's say just add the status over here, and I need to add the account ID over here. So for that reason, I'm going to this account and exactly opening the account which is name was Blueforce. And we'll take this ID again, going to the quotes and invoice, and we'll assign this ID to this invoice. So account ID has added over here. Now I need to have the product ID for the same. So this is the product ID by which the invoice has been generated successfully in the Monday.com. Now let's go and check in the SAP Business One the invoice has been generated successfully or not. So this is the SAP Business One server, and by which I'm going to the sales here section, and then again the AR invoice, and we'll search with the account name, so which was Blueforce. So yes, as you can see, invoice has been generated successfully in SAP Business One with all the details such as the account description and the contact person details. In the line item, the item description also been synchronized successfully with the unique price and the tax code. In that on total, the exact amount has been synchronized successfully.